drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit?
I would like to thank Wigs for sponsoring this video. Here are everything that I'm going to be using during this video. It's my white toothbrush. Love this thing for my hair. I have a couple of these. I have a comb for parting. Also have my Kansu avocado hair milk. This is what I'm going to be applying to the hair when I do a twist out and to blend my natural hair with the tape-in extensions. So I got my little natural updo, you know what I'm saying? If y'all digging this, let me know. But yeah, let's get into the video. This is the packaging right here. Pretty and purple. Purple and gold. Makes you feel expensive, you know? So this is what it's looking like unpackaged with me, guys. So first things first. Little bag to put your hair and supplies in. Thank you very much for that. Bundles I'm gonna be showing you guys. I have 3 inches. I have a 20, 22, and 24 inch. This is the 20 inch. This one is the 22. Lastly, we have the 24 inch. So this is what this looks like right here. When it comes to getting inches for curly hair, make sure that you guys get a long inch. The hair at 24 inches in straight hair is way longer than 24 inches in curly hair because it's curly, it shrinks up, so be aware of that. I'm going to take a hair out the package so I can show you guys what the texture looks like straight from the package, because I am going to cold wash these extensions. I am not going to be wetting this part right here. I'm basically going to be washing it from here and down before I put it in my hair. Okay, getting a little closer. This is how the tape-in extensions look. So what I have here is Kinky Curly. I can't wait to put these in my hair. Honestly, I've been waiting for this moment. So this is actually going to be my first time trying tape-in extensions, so I'm absolutely excited. So what I'm gonna do is divide my hair into sections so that way I'll be able to part it down the middle, do a half up, half down, and I'm gonna have the leave out on the perimeter of my hair. That way I can put it up in ponytails, flip it to the side, and I'm going to come back and show you guys what that looked like. Alright, so before I even get into parting, I think I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair out thoroughly. It will be easier for me to part the hair and place the hair where I need it to be. Much more easier than this bird's nest on top of my head, okay?
Something about this month I ain't feeling inside. But there's something that's on my mind and I can no longer hide. The way I'm feeling in my bones, feel less than a heartbreak and more like thorns. Keep pounding on my chest, Lord. Rather feel that instead. Keeping angels fighting demons that's under my bed. So no more Decembers, lonely cold December. Yeah, Decembers, lonely cold December. I'm gonna pick up my joint and light it up. Numb the feeling, make decisions, so I'm lighting up. With these emotions that I'm feeling, I can't give up. It's what my mama told me when I told her I was in love. She said, baby girl, you don't know what love is, but I can show you that love is pain. Trust me, baby girl, you will want this, cause nothing is more beautiful than love and cold December. Lonely cold December. Yeah, December. Lonely cold December. December. Lonely cold December. Yeah, December. Lonely cold December. Decembers don't feel right without you by my side, and I could lay here with you tonight, run away and be together for life. Enjoy Decembers, lonely cold Decembers, yeah, Decembers, lonely cold Decembers, yeah, Decembers, lonely cold Decembers, December, lonely cold, cold, yeah. I'm gonna keep my hair up till I touch the sky. Feel the vibe, Lord, 'cause I've been sinning and I can't take it back. Trying my best to forget everything. Look at my heart now, it's bleeding. How many times are you gonna stab me? Baby, ain't no fixing that. Oh Lord, my heart telling me to leave. I think I'm fine with that. Look at my heart now, it's bleeding. It's too bad that you can't see.
So on this.
Me and you were supposed to be, but instead you broke my heart. Rubbing ears is how we fell asleep. Couldn't be apart. Now you're chasing dreams without me. Go ahead and show out. Can you take a look at my heart is bleeding? Can't you see the scars? Thought I made it obvious, or is that my anxiety? Whoa, or is it just me?
So on this.
Take a deeper look and my heart is bleeding. Feels like I'm counting stars. Just when everything was falling into place, like Jenga, it would fall apart. Whoa, just leave it in the dark. Take a deeper look and my heart is bleeding. Feels like I'm counting stars. Just when everything was falling into place, like Jenga, it would fall apart. Whoa, just leave it in the dark.
So on this.
Da 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 da. You like it? Yeah, 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 yeah. When you get started, yeah, yeah. Teddy Bell. From the day that I met you, baby, you came through the door, then you said hey to me. Then you walked past me like nothing was going on. But I knew deep inside you was on a song. Baby, I feel so guilty, thinking the same way too. Baby, I feel you, I feel you. Please believe me, it's true. Yeah, yeah. After day one, we sat on the bed, just laughing and thinking about everything we said. Then we went to smoking that joint. Caught a vibe, yeah, it was so fun. You kept your standards up and kept your heart open. And every time I turn my head, I see you looking. From then I knew you was the one for me, and you knew I was the one for you. 'Cause boy, when we look into each other's eyes, and all we see was paradise. The way you are, the way you talk, the way you look at me with those brown eyes, and I can see that it's paradise. Yeah, 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 yeah,
This is definitely such beautiful hair. I'm obsessed. I do believe that the twist out definitely gave my hair more of a blend with this hair. Because this hair is much more kinkier than mine, I would definitely recommend that you guys try to get the closest texture as possible. But as we can see, this is still manageable. Looks cute. Say hi. Dog kisses for you guys. So we're gonna get into styling.
When you kiss me, that's how I knew this was real. Then I knew inside of me, that what I was feeling was real. When you looked at me with those eyes, and I could see the way that you smile, makes my heart melt, makes me shy, and I just can't figure out why. Cause baby, when I'm looking away, and then I turn to you, I see that you're looking at me, and I could feel you from a distance, baby. I could feel your heartbeat, baby. I appreciate you, yeah, yeah. I appreciate you, yeah, yeah. How I feel you like my diary. I feel like you could tell me your secrets, and your secrets will be safe with me. You can love me, you can trust me. I'll be all you ever dreamed. And all of your exes, they were selfish, but I ain't lying.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, tell me what you guys think about it. Everything that is in this video will be linked in the description box down below, including a discount code for you guys to shop. Happy shopping, and don't forget to subscribe to your girl for more videos. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in time.